Hey, what's going on everybody? Jonathan here. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Grubhub app step by step. I'm going to walk you guys through this app and show you guys exactly how to use it. So let's go ahead and hop into the app and take a look around. When you open up the Grubhub driver app, you'll be taken to the task page. If you're ready to start taking orders right now, you can hit unavailable and switch that to taking offers. Now you'll start to receive offers in the Grubhub app. If you feel like taking a break or ending your shift, you can easily switch that back over to unavailable. The next section we'll look at is regional boundaries. This will pull up a heat map of our area to show us where the hotspots are and where the most orders are happening. Now let's take a look at our program level. This is important because higher program levels are able to sign up for blocks first. My current program level is partner, which is the lowest program level. This means I wait till after both pro and premier drivers to sign up for blocks. Orders are given to drivers who are on scheduled blocks before drivers who just go online without scheduling. So if you're in a busy area, then it makes sense to go ahead and get that program level as high as possible so that you get more orders coming your way. You can boost your program level by increasing your acceptance rate and decreasing your block drop rate. This is based on your activity level over the last 30 days. Now let's take a look at the pay summary tab. If we go to last week, we can see that I made just over $97 in 7 orders. This is broken down into delivery pay, tips, Grubhub contribution, and adjustment pay. If we scroll down further, we can see a daily pay summary broken up into accepted orders, missed orders, and rejected orders. We can click on a specific day to see earnings for that day. On Tuesday, I earned just over $31 in 2 orders, and about $20 of that was tips. If we scroll down even further, we can see the 2 orders that I accepted and a breakdown of the pay for those orders. From the home screen, we can schedule blocks by hitting the menu bar at the top left-hand corner and then hitting scheduling. Here we can see all of the blocks that we have scheduled for the upcoming week. Now if we want to add more blocks, we hit update schedule and we can see the blocks available and then click the plus button to go ahead and add those blocks. Once we've added a block, we can easily remove it just by hitting the minus block next to that selected block. Now if we head back to the scheduling page, we can see that I have a 2-hour block scheduled for Saturday, July 13th. Let's look at how to take an order in the Grubhub app. Back on the task page, I will start taking offers, and I can wait here until an offer pops up. I'll receive a notification in the app as soon as an offer is ready, and I can hit view to see the details of that offer. This screen shows me the total payout, the pickup point, and the delivery point. It's a high-paying order with a short distance traveled, so I'm going to go ahead and accept this order. Here I can see the address details, and I'll go ahead and click on the pickup location to get a little bit more info about that. I can hit the navigation button to pull up the directions in Google Maps. When I've arrived at the restaurant, I'll mark arrived in the app. This will take me to a screen where I can see a little bit more about the order details. If there are any issues with the order, I can hit the phone button in the top right-hand corner of the screen and either call or text the customer to let them know. If an issue pops up and I need to talk to support, I can hit the There's a Problem button underneath the Got Order button in the app at the bottom of the screen. All orders are paid through the app, so I'll never need to use any sort of Grubhub card to pay for orders. Once I've collected all of the items in the order from the restaurant, I'll hit the Got Order button at the bottom of the screen. From there, I'll hit the Leaving button and then select the navigation icon for directions to my customer's address. If I have any issues during the delivery, I can hit the There's a Problem button at the bottom of the screen. For example, let's say my GPS isn't working and I can't mark the I have arrived button. For issues finding the address, I usually like to call the customer first, hitting the button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once I've arrived, I'll hit the Arrived button. If there are any additional delivery instructions, they'll be in the Delivery Instructions section. Sometimes these include like an access code for an apartment complex so that I can get inside the building. Once I've dropped off the order with the customer, I'll hit the Delivered button at the bottom of the screen to confirm that I've completed the delivery. This will take me back to the Taking Offers screen where I can continue to accept more offers with Grubhub. That sums up all the features for the Grubhub app. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to get back to you.